In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Kytebaby promo codes in 2024. This is it, so we jump right into it. First, go to your web browser and right here search for Kytebaby promo code. As you can see, we have this website right here, which is simplycodes.com, and I recommend you to use this one. It has a lot of great deals, such as this one with 20% off discount. If you want to get this deal right here, all you have to do is select use code, and this is the discount code. You can copy this one right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get that discount. You also have some different websites right here, such as weekish.com, which is also a site that I recommend you to use. And right here, for example, we have a lot of promo codes also that we can use. We have this one with 25% off. If you want to use this one, simply select copy code right here and this is the discount code right here that you can use on a next purchase in order to get your discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.